Welcome to Detroit. We're absolutely glad to have you here. I appreciate the work that everyone in this room is doing on this important moment in our economy, in our world. So I'm thrilled to have you all here in the Motor City.
This year, our industry will break $1 trillion in semiconductor revenue globally. And to put that in perspective, in 2020, we were at $400 billion and projecting that we would grow 2.5 times in this decade and make it by 2030. And the great news is we're doing it this year. We have some of the most essential equipment suppliers here in the state of Michigan and a number of material suppliers who find their home and manufacture those products in Michigan. And then, of course, the world headquarters for automotive is here. Every type of semiconductor that we make finds its way into automobiles. The average car has 1,000 to 1,200 chips in it today, and the most advanced EVs have 3,000 chips.
Both cars and semiconductors were invented by innovators who had the same goal: connection. And that's why we've made historic investments to bring semiconductor supply chains back home. Our auto industry is the largest end market for semiconductors in the world, and we are leading the way on AI infrastructure. Collaboration is how we dominated manufacturing in the last century, and it's how we will do it again. Let's work together on the workforce, the tools, and the resources to bring supply chains home. Let's work together to grow our economy and create good-paying jobs for communities. And let's work together to win the semiconductor race and create a bright future for Michigan, for the Heartland, for beyond. Your success is our success as well, and good partnerships is how we solve the world's problems. When we build, we succeed.